What if the next generation of car crumple zones took design notes from a 500-gram mammal that's been reported to withstand a full-grown human standing on its back? Some animals do Pilates. The hero shrew does structural engineering. Crash protection is a brutal optimization problem. You want a structure that's light, strong, and able to absorb a ton of impact energy without a single catastrophic snap. The team built a 3D printed aluminum metamaterial, meaning the performance comes from its internal geometry, not just the metal itself. They didn't only tweak the lattice shape, they also developed a strong but ductile aluminum alloy with a mixed, heterogeneous grain structure to enable printing and damage-resistant crushing. Then, they designed a hero shrew-inspired lattice so it collapses in a controlled, repeatable way. Their best designs combine very low density, approximately 0.91 grams per cubic centimeter, with high relative yield strength, approximately 17%, and a specific energy absorption around 39.1 joules per gram, energy absorbed per gram of material, which they benchmark as surpassing most metallic metamaterials. Here's the mechanical reason those numbers matter. The goal in crash protection isn't just strong, it's a stable stress platform, a long stretch where the force stays relatively steady while the structure crushes, so you avoid violent load spikes. The authors show that their bio-inspired architecture helps the metamaterial collapse in a more controlled, layer-by-layer way, which spreads damage and energy dissipation across many small events instead of one catastrophic shear band. The key win is stability. Instead of one big snap, the structure keeps carrying load while it crushes, which is exactly what you want for predictable crash protection. This is biomimicry done right, not copy a shape, but co-design the material plus the structure. The big next steps are real-world validation, off-axis hits, fatigue, corrosion, and whether this can scale economically beyond lab-scale printing. Where should this go first? Safer car crash boxes, helmets, or aerospace landing systems?